On some occasions, you want to go through and modify type in greater detail. So that might be going through and removing the counter, so the center of the D and the E, or maybe extending the descender of the G and making it a bit longer. So converting type to outline will discard all the text and font information, leaving only the outlines of the letters. So this will be individual paths and shape of the letters. Type can then be going through and distorted, reshaped, and manipulated just like a regular path or object. So to go through and do this, we need to select the type. You cannot have it highlighted for some reason, and then go into type, and then go to create outline. Now it is the shape of the letters, and so using the direct selection tool, I can select an anchor point and distort it. I can select whole portions of the letter and get rid of those counters, or be selecting a path like we've got with the G and extending that. That is a quick introduction to converting type to outline. Thanks.